Hello students, so welcome again another lecture on engineering graphics. Today I am taking that old topic, that is conic section. If you remember that earlier we discussed about different type of conic sections. Conic sections are the parts of a parts generated by intersection of a cone by a plane, and there are different conic sections are ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, triangle, circle, etc. Today I am going to discuss with you one method for construction of ellipse, one of the easiest method. The name of the method will be concentric circle method. So today we are going to learn how to construct an ellipse with the help of concentric circle method, and also we will draw normal and tangent on that curve. For drawing an ellipse, you know that the basic requirement will be the major axis and the minor axis of the ellipse. So I am supposing that I want to draw an ellipse with major axis 120 mm and minor axis 80 mm. As you know that major and minor are the two axes which are perpendicular bisected to each other. So we should start with major axis. So initially I have drawn this line, that is capital AB, that is 120 mm, and that will represent the major axis of the ellipse. Then on that AB I have drawn this perpendicular bisector CD, that is 80 mm, and that will be the minor axis of the ellipse. As you know that the curve of an ellipse will terminate on the major axis, will be the end of the major axis will be on the ellipse, or you can say the major and minor will terminate at the elliptical curve. So A, B and C and D, these are the 4 points on our curve that we got directly. Now what I am going to do, I am using a method that is known as concentric circle method. As the name suggests that I want to draw two circles with the diameters equals to major axis and diameter equals to minor axis. So what I am going to do, if this intersection of AB and CD will be O, that will be the center of the ellipse, I am going to draw two circles with radius equals to 120 mm, that is AB, and radius equals to diameter equals to CD. So this way I have drawn these two circles with the same center, that is why we call this concentric circle method. After that I am going to divide this small circle into 12 parts. You can use the protractor for dividing that in 30-30 angles, or you can also use the curve that I am using to bisect this into 3 equal parts. So what we will do, we will divide this circle into 12 parts with the help of protractor, that is 30-30 angle, and draw these lines. So when we will draw these lines, the bigger circle will also be divided into 12 equal parts. So this way I will do this and divide both the circle into 12 parts. So what I have done, I have divided both the circle in 12 parts. Now after that, what I am going to do, I am going to mark these points as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the small circle, the same line where it is cutting the bigger circle, I will name that 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash and 8 dash. As I already told you, A, B, C and D are also 4 points on the curve. So with the help of these 8 markings, I am going to plot 8 more points for our curve. So total I will get 12 points, and if I join those 12 points with the help of a smooth curve, we will get our ellipse with major axis AB, that is 120 mm, and minor axis CD, that is 80 mm. After that, what I am going to do, from all those points which are on the smaller circle, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, I am going to draw line parallel to major axis. So like this, from 1 outside, from 8 that will be outside, from 2 again towards left, from 3 towards right, from 4 towards right, from 5 towards right, from 6 towards right, from 7 towards left. So again look, what I have done, from all those points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 which are in the smaller circle, that is the minor axis circle, I have drawn line parallel to major axis. So left, on the left side points I will move towards left, and from the right side points I will move towards the right. After that, what I am going to do, from these points, that is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, on the bigger circle, from 1 dash I will draw perpendicular down where it is going to cut this line, that will be that point, intersection will be the point on the curve. Same way, from 2 just draw perpendicular downside, you will get another point. Then from 3 come perpendicular downside, that will be another point on the curve. From 4 come downside. So in this way I can got these 4 points which are the point on the curve. This is first, second, third and fourth. Same way, from these 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, this time I will go upside. So upside that intersection, upside that intersection, upside from 6, that intersection point, and upside from 5. So this is one of the easiest method. If you again go, what we have done, we have drawn perpendiculars from 1, 2, 3, 4, we have drawn from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have drawn line parallel to AB, and from 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, we have drawn line parallel to CD. So now I can easily get these points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the points which we got, and if I join all those points with the help of a smooth curve, we can get the ellipse, required ellipse. So for this particular patch I have 4 points, and if I join all these 4 points with the help of this curve, this is one of the quarter part of the ellipse. Further, if we move forward, then again the same method, I can come down like this, then from the lower side, from 5 dash, 6 dash up to D, and from A it can go like this. So this is one of the curve, that is ellipse, with the help of concentric circle method. And if you want to draw a tangent and normal on this curve, then the method for drawing the tangent and normal will be, initially we have to find out the focus f1 and f2 of this ellipse. For that the method will be, what I am going to do, I will pick the half of the AB, and now from C as center I will cut this major axis in both the direction, from CD as well as from. So these 2 points are the focus f1 and f2. what I have done, so that this CF1 equals to CF2, that equals to half AB. So with the help of this formula, you can easily find out the focus F1 and F2. And suppose I want to draw a tangent and a normal on any point on this curve, and suppose at this point P. So what I am going to do, I will join this P point with F1 and F2. Join this P with F1 and F2, and after that bisect this angle. So bisecting this angle, use this method of arc and bisect this angle. The bisector of this angle will be the normal, and perpendicular on this bisector will be the tangent. So this way you can easily draw a tangent and the normal on this curve at this point P. If you again want to go through, initially find out the focus, join that focus with the point P and bisect that angle. I hope you understand the simple concept, and this is one of the simplest problem. Try to draw in your sketchbook. Thank you very much.